So we were right. Canon EOS R8 is not going to replace the mighty EOS R. On top of that, it's another entry-level APS-C camera from Canon. After analyzing all the sources, we're more confused than before and just want to know why, Canon. A few months back, we got leaks about the R8. On Chinese social media, Weibo shared that prototypes are ready and it's said to be a full-frame mirrorless camera. Rumors also suggested that it would have a 30.3 megapixel non-stack sensor powered by the Digic X processor. These would make the R8 capable of recording 4K at 60 fps with crop and 30 fps with no crop. Additionally, it would feature a dual SD/CF Express card slot and 5-axis image stabilization inbuilt. Now, we were a bit skeptical about these because we could not fit R8 into any certain category in the current Canon lineup. It was clashing between EOS RP and R6 Mark II, but when the new sets of rumors came a few days ago, it's more puzzling. Now, we know that Canon EOS R8 will be another APS-C camera and it'll have the same 24 megapixel sensor that you can find in the EOS R10. The body factor will be similar to the EOS R7 and nothing new will be added except the LCD screen. It'll supposedly have a new flippy screen. Flippy screens have recently been in trend because of Sony's A7R5. It's very convenient to use even when you want to keep the view screen completely in line with the lens. So it is a welcoming feature in this entry-level segment, but that's it. There's nothing more interesting about it. If it's going to have the same sensor, form factor and overall refurbishment as previous products, why does Canon plan to bring out this camera now? Canon's 2023 lineup is already stacked up. Upcoming full-frame cinema cameras have created a positive buzz around the globe. Even affordable entry-level APS-C cameras like R50 and R100 are also scheduled to come next year. So there's no space for another APS-C camera in the lineup. It's certainly disappointing to see another RF mount camera between the EOS R7 and R10, yet no new RFS lenses for the users, and this lens mount is locked for third-party lens makers. What a joke! Canon R7 is currently available for $1,499 and R10 for $979, so how Canon can fit the R8 in this tiny price gap is the real question. The Canon EOS R was Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera and it was widely popular among fans. Many of them are still waiting for Canon to bring a successor, but unfortunately, it's not clear what Canon's plan is. On the CP Plus show, Canon will unveil new cameras. Till then, it's a mystery which cameras are on production and which ones are postponed. We just hope that there's an R successor in the line. We need at least one full-frame body underneath the R6 Mark II. Canon also needs to launch more crop lenses for the RF mounts since the current RF 16mm and 50mm 1.8 are good primes for RFS, but the zooms are subpar at best. So what do you think about the upcoming Canon EOS R8? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.